the field, in everyday life and in research. For 130 years, Lufft measurement and control products have been close to the action, worldwide. Lufft can be found wherever there is a need to measure or record wind, air pressure, temperature, relative humidity and other environmental measurement variables. Today in Fellbach, with renowned Lufft quality, the specialist in state-of-the-art measurement technology develops mechanical and electronic products, sensors and systems in accordance with its guiding principle, tradition and innovation. Much more than measurement alone, Lufft has become well known throughout the whole world due to the company's passion for precision. Around 60 highly skilled, experienced employees work in accordance with this principle and ensure that a wide variety of products deliver highly precise measurements.
My name is Ann Pattison and I work for Lufft Instruments. We are based in Fellbach, Germany, and we have a sales office in Santa Barbara, California. We manufacture weather stations, wind speed and direction sensors. Our specialty is here beside me, the WS family of sensors. We measure wind speed, wind direction, temperature, humidity, and air pressure, and any combination thereof. This is the family that we've developed. The concept is a modular approach. So we have the WS200, which is wind speed, wind direction only, ultrasonic, temperature, humidity, and air pressure. Just here in the WS300. The 400 adds a precipitation sensor, Doppler radar. Then the 600 and 500 really have an all-in-one concept. So the all-in-one concept, you really have one cord, one simple connection to any data logger that can give you all these parameters. So we also manufacture turbine control anemometers. So this is a wind speed, wind direction, heated anemometer. We also have a metal version that will go to temperatures down to -50 degrees Celsius. We've actually tested it to -90 degrees Celsius and up to +95 degrees. This is the metal version. So a turbine manufacturer would put one or two of these up on top of the nacelle and it would control the turbine, the pitch and yaw of the turbine. So this is really our product line. We've actually just released one that has solar radiation sensor on the top as well. So that's been quite popular in the solar industry, as well as wind and meteorological monitoring. So thank you and please visit us at www.lufftusa.com.
The use of measurement technology and its importance in our society are barely perceptible. Environmental sensor technology is increasingly used to control outdoor industrial plant. The specialist term for this is WCO, Weather Critical Operations. Absolute precision for every measurement task, for a clean environment too. Lufft products meet the exact requirements of renewable energy and are suitable for all types of extreme weather conditions. Perfect regulation of large wind turbines, offshore or onshore, for the greatest possible efficiency. This is the task of the Ventus from Lufft. The Ventus UMB wind sensor is ideally suitable for high-precision, maintenance-free measurement, especially in cold climates. In addition to wind turbine applications, Ventus plays an important role in navigation, meteorology and building automation. It gets great accolades for seawater and vibration resistance, a green tech application in every sense. We rely on the wind and the sun for renewable energy. In solar parks, first the solar panels have to be protected. Second, they have to be aligned to the sun. The Lufft WS product family takes care of this. The WS501 UMB compact weather station from the WS product family, driven by an intelligent microprocessor, is used to measure air temperature, relative humidity, radiation, air pressure, wind direction and wind speed. The WS501 UMB is currently unique on the environmental market. Is it good or bad? It's difficult for human beings to determine the quality of the air, yet clean air is vital to our well-being. In all areas of our environment, we find pollutant measuring stations that constantly monitor the quality of our air. Only by means of such controls is it possible to detect improvement or deterioration and protect human health. Throughout the whole of Germany, air pollutants are measured with the same precision. With the WS500 UMB compact weather station from Lufft, you know which way the wind's blowing. Air temperature, relative humidity, air pressure, wind direction and wind speed are measured. It delivers precise meteorological measurement data for air quality monitoring networks, impressing due to ease of integration into the overall system, using an open communications protocol and is virtually maintenance-free. We are all well acquainted with forecasts concerning road surface temperatures and road traffic weather conditions, yet hardly anyone cares to ask just how this information is obtained, despite the fact that it provides for increased traffic safety and can often be life-saving. Measurement technology is in use here too. By constantly logging and monitoring measurement data, Lufft products facilitate the optimization of intervention on the roads. By detecting hazards early, winter road maintenance decisions can be taken in a different way. Automatic de-icing spray systems operate reliably and messages can be displayed on variable traffic signs. Whether moisture, ice, snow or frost, the NIRS 31 UMB non-invasive sensor detects the road surface condition. In addition to water film height, surface temperature and freezing temperature, it also provides a measurement of adhesion and friction. Automatic prevention on the road network, all year round. The threat of black ice represents a challenge to winter maintenance services. Airports are particularly vulnerable. Snow and ice can cause huge safety problems during takeoff and landing. The black ice early warning system proves its worth here to largely guarantee normal flight operations. Taxiways and runways are constantly monitored by built-in black ice sensors. Probes permanently detect the most precise ground and air temperatures and register the presence of rain or snow. When the system triggers an alarm, with just a glance at the monitor, staff can immediately see where ice is forming outside. This warning system is a great decision-making tool and reduces hazards at the airport. The active intelligent runway sensor from Lufft, ARS 31 UMB, warns against ice on runways. It is installed flush with the surface and determines freezing temperatures down to -40 degrees by active cooling and heating of the sensor surface. The measurement of freezing temperature is independent of mixture. The two-part housing design allows the combined sensor-electronic unit to be replaced for maintenance purposes in a matter of minutes. Air quality plays an important role in the production of zero-defect products in pharmaceutical and semiconductor manufacturing, for example, especially in clean rooms. Air is a source of contamination due to pollution and bacteria. Production has to be stopped if certain limits are exceeded. The highest hygiene standards have to be met during the entire manufacturing process in order to guarantee that products and hence patients are protected. Only by recording and monitoring relevant values such as temperature, humidity, differential pressure and particle count with the monitoring system is it possible to comply with applicable standards and quality regulations. The Opus 20 product range from Lufft offers permanent, reliable control for the widest variety of applications and hence ensures safety in sterile production. The monitoring system responds to faults with an alarm message and also archives the entire set of measurements for subsequent analysis. The Opus 20 data logger is connected to the LAN like a computer on the network and transmits data from the internally and externally connected sensors to the central computer in real time. In doing so, particularly important demands are placed on the professional software in use here. Smart Graph 3. Due to its Windows 7 look and feel, it makes measurement data logging easy and intuitive. In addition to a comprehensive graphical and numerical display of the measured values, it also allows dew point analysis in centigrade and Fahrenheit. Alarm limits and measurement data can be managed over a variable time period, and hence there is a record of when alarm limits were changed. In addition, all equipment settings can be configured with the software. When it comes to high-tech trains, China is at the cutting edge. The CRH 380A caused a worldwide stir when it achieved a speed of 486 km per hour. In the country where the railway is the most important means of transport, trains now travel at speeds of up to 350 km per hour, but that is not enough. In future, China wants to have trains with speeds of 500 km per hour in regular scheduled use. But while express trains break all records with their tremendous speeds, the risks associated with strong crosswinds simultaneously increase. Special wind measuring systems are installed to ensure that the trains stay safely on the tracks at these high speeds. Using state-of-the-art wind sensors from Lufft, which are maintenance-free and have no moving parts, wind data are measured at least every 10 km along the track and transmitted to the control center in order to automatically adjust the train speed to the weather conditions. In addition to measuring the wind, the WS600 UMB compact weather station used there also measures precipitation, relative humidity, air temperature and air pressure. The speed of the falling droplets is used to distinguish between rain and snow. China is already one of the largest energy consumers in the world, and consumption is growing rapidly. To meet the huge demand for power and ensure the supply of energy nationwide, the power grid has to cover huge distances. High voltage lines are laid over great distances in order to bring energy from other provinces to the regions with the greatest demand. In China, these lines, which also have to cross large rivers on the long route, are attached to very tall pylons, some of which are even higher than the Eiffel Tower. In the lesser populated north of the country, China has ideal conditions for using renewable energy, from both wind and sun. Nonetheless, solar panels and wind turbines have to function reliably in extreme climate zones. This is equally true in the desert as it is in extremely cold climates. There, only the best sensors operate reliably. In the extremely cold winter, there is a threat of icing on the power lines at high altitudes. Measurement systems prevent the power networks from breaking down. UMB technology from Lufft uses early warning systems to detect danger on the high voltage masts. The WS500 UMB compact weather station measures and monitors air temperature using a precision anti-sea measuring element, relative humidity using a capacitive sensor element, and air pressure. By means of this information, the reliable system allows the high voltage lines to be heated at the right time. Not only does Lufft offer solutions for all types of applications involving measurement technology, by adapting to situations and circumstances and hence meeting the needs of the user. Lufft also works to meet the challenges of a dynamically changing world, seeking new ways to measure that cannot yet be measured. Customer service is always at the forefront. Lufft developers, engineers and sales personnel are pleased to give advice and assistance about all applications and hence solve your problems. On site too, naturally. A broad-based training portfolio to constantly optimize employees' knowledge is very important here. Indeed, it is one of the most important principles of company philosophy.
Also nochmal grüß Gott zu unserer kleinen Videoschulung.
Our worldwide partners receive training by way of NetViewer conferences to keep them permanently up to date. Well-trained employees and maximum quality for satisfied customers. Today, due to the highest precision in all areas, Lufft is a leading international company.
Es ist nicht einfach, in einem Kurzfilm alle unsere Anwendungen und Aktivitäten unterzubringen.
It is not easy to show all our applications and activities in a short film. Let me describe our business philosophy as follows. Competition is the constant hand on our back that makes us faster, better, uncomplicated, lighter, leaner, more flexible and more adaptable. Competition is global and opens markets for us on all continents. And competition is the twin brother of innovation. Technical innovation constantly leads us to new technologies and new solutions. At the same time, it keeps our employees and the whole company fit. Competition helps to ensure that our customers always have an alternative. We believe in fair competition, in open and modular systems, and in networks of specialists who develop optimal solutions in line with customer needs. Our work does not end with delivery. On the contrary, delivery begins an intensive long-term cooperation with our users. Our goal is for our customers to recommend Lufft without reservation. We are confident that our products and systems contribute to making our world a better place. Many thanks to all our business partners, shareholders and employees for 130 years of Lufft.